Hey YouTube, we have another new model from Hot Wheels. This is the 2019 Kia Stinger GT, part of the factory fresh from Hot Wheels. You can see more of the new design instead of the traditional J hook. It is now embedded at the back of the card. That's pretty unique. And here is the stunning Kia Stinger GT. Man, I love the color. The gray really pops. It grabs your attention. Damn. Now we start at the front. It has a good amount of details with the headlight tampos, as well as the two heat extractors in the hood, Kia logo in the middle. There's the tiger nose shark grille, very neat, as well as the lower intakes. Glad to see that the headlight tampos are at the right place. And the side profile is what you can expect from Hot Wheels. It rolls pretty darn good, pretty smooth. It is sitting on this gray Y5 wheels. It's plastic, by the way. There's the sunroof, which is part of the dark tinted windows with black plastic interior. There's the shark fin antenna. Pretty modern, sleek looking design. As we go at the back, it has the taillight tampos, the gorgeous taillights with the Stinger GT badge and the Stinger license plate. There's the black diffuser, which is part of the plastic base. You can see there's two rivets. Not much else to see here. Those taillights, man, it's pretty darn sharp looking. I like the overall proportions. The scaling is very close to accurate. Now this car does resemble the Porsche Panamera from last year. The paint job is very similar and they look absolutely fantastic side by side. And there you have it, the 2019 Kia Stinger GT, a fantastic new model from Hot Wheels. Please check out my other videos. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next one.